Okay, so I know you're keen to get to the HLOOKUP stuff, but there's a few other tricks I have to teach you first that'll make this stuff better. Um, so first, what we're gonna do is concat, which was on your list. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna steal some names here, and then steal some other names here. Put them over there. Let's just copy and paste the last few. Okay, so say you're given a list like this. Let's say first and last. Now, they want you to put that in one thing. You can't just go that plus that, because that gives you an error. What you do is you concatenate the text. So you say equal concat, then you select your first text. Now, here's the trick. It does not add commas, spaces, anything like that. So if you're doing names, you have to do as text 2, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma. Then as your text 3, you put the other name. Close your bracket, and there you have everyone combined like that. Now say you wanted whatever formal is, formal. So you're gonna do concat again. This time you're gonna start with their surname. You are going to put a comma and a space, comma, their name, and like that you have everyone's formal names. Now let's say you want to be initial formal, even fancier. Now this one I'm going to split in two so that it covers more of the stuff you have to do. I saw on your list you have to do the left, right, all of that. So what we're going to do is left, so we can get initials. So what we're going to do is left the text we want and the number of characters we want. So what that does is it takes whatever text you give it, it takes the number of characters you give it and puts it over here. So say we change it to 4. It's going to give you the first 4 letters of each of the names. So it's useful for stuff like this where you want the initial. Now, let's say we want to make the invitation formal. So we're going to do concat that surname, comma, space. I don't know, for some reason they're doing it like this, comma, and then your period because it's an initial, and there you go. So that covers concat, that covers left. Right is similar, it has less uses, but say for example you wanted right, say you want what their name ends on. You're gonna do right, the text you want, and the number of characters you want. So let's have the last 4 characters, Ogun, whatever. Middle is the same. So you're going to do mid. Now middle has one extra thing because it's obviously in the middle. You're going to give it the text you want. You're going to give it the character number you want it to start at. So let's say I wanted to start at the 3rd character. And I want 4 characters. And there you go. Aiden obviously doesn't have 4, but exam. So it started where I told it at the 3rd character, counted 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4 characters. So that's your left, right, and mid.